Hi, this is Emilee of Emilee's Paper Caper. I'm here for Stamp With Us. This is an open collaboration hosted by Susan's Heartstrings and Thelma Hall. I've been sorting and organizing the unmounted stamps that I got recently at a rummage sale. So I wanted to show you how I have them all laid out. I've used Post-it notes to label them into categories. We're going to pick a category and test out these stamps today. So I've started stamping with the snowman stamps, and I'm putting them in a mini 3-ring binder. I am using supplies that I got on Amazon, the binders from Amazon, the little page protectors, and then I also have some transparencies that I have placed them in to keep them nice and flat. So we've done 3 pages so far. All of the stamps have worked well. They're very cute stamps for sure. And we're going to do a 4th page together so you can kind of see my process. I purchased these clear transparencies. I'll link to everything in the description, and I've cut them in half. The page protectors, they look like this. I got a set of 200. And then to help keep the stamps in place, I just have some score tape. I'm just putting a couple pieces of score tape on a transparency to make sure that the stamps stick. And we're going to go ahead and stamp these. I'm really just testing the stamps just to make sure they really work well. And I'm using my VersaFine ink. This is also from Amazon. I love this ink. It gives a nice crisp detail. I really hope this image works well. No, it did not. It did not. We're gonna have to let this one go. Now that I look at it, it's very crusty and there's spots in the rubber that have just dissolved. So that's one less stamp we have, but out of all of those snowmen, that's the only one that hasn't worked so far. They have really inky fingers today. Oh, that is adorable. So stinking cute. Snowman trio there. This has never been used. I can tell it's never seen ink before. So it should work without any problem. Oh wow, that is really gorgeous. There's a penguin and a polar bear and a snowman. They're so cute. And this is a to from stamp, so it's for gift tags. Yeah, that's cute. If I were stamping it for actual gift tags, I'd probably use blue ink and I would make sure that I got that background, but I can tell that that was operator error, not a stamp issue. So we sandwich the two. That transparency's cut in half, so we're just gonna keep the stamp straight like that and put in our guide card. We've got our mini sheet protector. And I will put a label on this binder. I'll have to decide. Maybe I'll put the penguins in here too. We'll do the penguins next, and I can put a label here that says snowmen and penguins. So I don't want the binders to be too big and heavy. And there's room for additional stamps here, stamps to the sheets. Check the description for the supplies I use. Those are Amazon links, and I receive a commission for purchases using those links. Keep on scrapping, stamping, and paper crafting.